So in this short video, we are going to solve a problem on boundary layer thickness for a uniform laminar flow. So the question we have is, for uniform laminar flow over a flat plate, the thickness of the boundary layer delta at a distance x from the leading edge of the plate follows the relation. So we have four options. Delta is proportional to x to the power minus 1. The second option says delta is proportional to x. The third option says delta is proportional to x to the power half. And the last option says delta is proportional to x to the power minus half. So we will find the correct answer. So the thing which we need to remember first is, so if this is the flat plate, this is the boundary layer thickness, this is the boundary layer thickness which I will represent by delta, and as it is a function of x, x is the distance from the leading edge of the plate. So this is x, so this delta will be a function of x. Now for this case where the flow is laminar and uniform, we can write that this delta x is equal to 4.99 times x divided by root of Reynolds number. So this is how we calculate the boundary layer thickness for uniform laminar flow. Now this is the same thing which has been stated in the question, that the flow is uniform laminar and it is over a flat plate. So this is what we need. Now the most common mistake that most students make is the delta x here, they will see that it is directly proportional to x, hence they will opt for this option B. But this is not correct because we have a Reynolds number term in the denominator. What this ends up being is this delta x is written as it is proportional to x by root of Reynolds number. Now I can expand this Reynolds number further as density of the fluid times the velocity of the fluid times the characteristic length, and as it is a flat plate, hence it will be x, which is the distance from the leading edge of the flat plate, divided by the viscosity of the fluid. So we can ignore all the other terms and we can write this Reynolds number proportional to x over here, which I will substitute in this equation. So this will become the boundary layer thickness delta x proportional to x by root of x. So this is nothing but, this thing is nothing but x to the power 1 minus half, which is x to the power half. So what I get is the boundary layer thickness delta of x is proportional to x to the power half. So this will be the correct expression. So this is option C. This is the correct expression. So this is all about uniform laminar flow over the flat plate. I discussed this problem because I wanted to highlight this equation because this is the most important way by which we can estimate the boundary layer thickness for uniform laminar flow over the flat plate. Thank you.